Ever pondered the potent power of a plant known as mugwort? Its mystical name might sound like something out of a fantasy novel, but this plant holds a plethora of health benefits that are anything but fictional. Mugwort, scientifically known as Artemisia vulgaris, is a perennial plant native to Asia, North Africa, and Europe. It's been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and it's about time we shed some light on the myriad benefits this incredible herb offers. Mugwort is a storehouse of antioxidants, which are vital for maintaining optimal health. These antioxidants wage war against harmful free radicals in your body, reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. But that's not all. Mugwort also boasts impressive digestive benefits. Struggling with an upset stomach or indigestion? A cup of mugwort tea might just be the answer. The herb stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, easing indigestion and soothing the stomach. Now, let's dive into another amazing benefit of mugwort: its potential to improve sleep quality. If you've been tossing and turning at night, mugwort could be your new best friend. It's been used as a natural remedy for insomnia for centuries, thanks to its calming properties. Drinking mugwort tea before bedtime can help you drift off into a peaceful slumber. Mugwort's health benefits extend to the realm of women's health as well. It's been traditionally used to alleviate menstrual pain and regulate irregular periods. Some studies even suggest that it can improve menopausal symptoms. Now, you might be wondering how to incorporate this wonderful herb into your diet. Well, mugwort can be used in a variety of ways. It's often dried and used as a spice in cooking, lending a unique flavor to dishes. From soups and stews to stir-fries and salads, the opportunities to experiment with mugwort in the kitchen are endless. To summarize, mugwort is a powerhouse of health benefits. Its antioxidants combat free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. It soothes digestive woes, aids in better sleep, and supports women's health. Plus, it's a versatile ingredient that can add a unique flavor to your meals. So, the next time you're looking to boost your health or add some new flavors to your dishes, why not give mugwort a try? With its myriad benefits and uses, this underappreciated herb might just become your new favorite ingredient.